Hello everyone, this is me and this is my YouTube channel iidstudio. In this video, I will teach you the lighting, learning and material setting of a bathroom model scene. As you can see, I opened the SketchUp and now I opening the enscape. It don't have lighting setting and render setting. Let's make it better. First of all, I will add the exterior light for the whole scene. I think it's better. Let's adjust it. Let's move it. I don't think so. It is good for this scene. Now I deleted it and add another light for this scene. I add this light because this is in this model the window in the front. Now I adjust it. I increase a little bit exposure because the exposure on default. Now I think I want to add interior lights for the scene enhancement. First I hide the glass and take the size of this model. Now I adding the light in it. If you want these lights and 3D model, they are available on my fan pages, Buy Me a Coffee, Patreon and Coffee. The links to all of these are available below the video in description and comments. Please visit my fan pages, explore the content and support me to keep creating more for you. Now adjusting the light, I use the line tool in SketchUp because it is very helpful for this. Now I add the another lights. I already made these lights. If you want these lights, please visit my fan pages. They are available on my fan pages and support me. I rotate the lights for better light. Now I adding the another lights. Now these lights are added. Now I add another lights for this cabinet. I rotate it and adjust it before with my align tool in SketchUp. adjusting. Now let's see, I think it's looking better. Now I add another light in this vanity. I think it's good for this. Let's adjust it. This light with illumination. I don't want the illumination like with this light, so simply I rotate the light. The light I moved a little bit other side because I want a good result. I increase the exposure a little bit more because I think the exposure is not good. This scene is very big. I added another light, simple lights for the best lighting setting. Now I add approximately 6 lights in this scene because the backlight outlight are not reach in the whole scene. For this I add the spotlights. Again, now if you want to all these models and lights, they are available on my fan pages, Buy Me a Coffee, Patreon and Coffee. The links to all of these are provided below this video in the description and comment. Please visit my fan pages and explore the content and support me to keep creating more for you. Now I add another light in ceiling. Let's see our model how it's looking. Now I adjust the materials and reflections. I think for this is 2.2 because we want much reflection in the bathtub. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for stay updated. Now I adjusting it. I think it's looking good, and I increase the exposure a little bit. Now I think it's good. Now let's render it and check the results. It takes some time. Now let's see. I think it's good. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for these videos. Thank you.